Dear students, this is present perfect continuous tense, means we have to start perfect continuous tense segment. But before this, I will tell you what a perfect continuous tense. Then after we will discuss about the present perfect continuous tense. Students, so perfect continuous tense generally talks about the function that has been started previously and up to the time it has finished, right? That means something that has started in the past and is continuing either in past or present or future, right? So that will be definitely your perfect continuous. And students, something else I am telling you, right? So it is generally a combination of perfect and continuous, because before some time the function will be started and it will be continue up to the time, right? Now let me tell you what a present perfect continuous tense is, right? So students, generally a present perfect continuous tense, that is also known as the present perfect progressive tense, right? It shows that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time, right? Is the present time, right? And the present perfect continuous is formed using the construction like you can see here, has, have plus been plus ing, that is the past participle form of the verb, then after since and for plus time. So students, why this since and for is being implemented for the time? So since and for, these two are the words. So since is used for fixed timing, right? Since is used for fixed timing and for is used for unfixed time, right? Unfixed time. So students, this is the uses of since and for. If someone is talking about since, that means he is talking about any fixed timing, that is Monday, Tuesday, right? January, February, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, right? And if someone talking about from 2 hours, 3 hours, so that will be definitely where you will have to implement for, right? So as you can see, the examples is being given here as he has been going since Monday. So Monday is the fixed timing, then you have to use since. Since Monday has been implemented, right? Now if I am telling you another example of this, like I have been moving or going for 2 hours, right? If I am talking about, so I have been going for 2 hours, that will be here I am talking about an unfinished activity, an unfixed timing, that's why I have used for here. So students, that was present perfect continuous tense. Now let me tell you something about past perfect continuous tense. So students, this past perfect continuous tense, that is also known as the past perfect progressive tense. What it shows? So it shows that an action that had started in the past continued up until another time in the past, means the function has been started in the past, okay, and definitely it has been stopped, it has been finished in the past too, right? Now have a look over the examples. What the examples suggest? The example suggests subject plus had been. Students, now I am telling you something more. Suppose a sentence is in negative, then how you will use your even in negative sentences like had been. As you can see, had and been, two compound helping verbs has been used here, right? So if you are going to make a negative sentences, so without any hesitation you have to implement here like not, means have not been or had not been, right? So in this way you can make like he, suppose I am going to write here he had, right? He had not been waiting for her, right? So if I am writing here he had not been waiting for her, that means I am talking about what? I am talking about future perfect continuous tense, right? And you can also implement here the timing like for 2 hours, right? So this was all about future perfect and present past perfect continuous tense. Now it's time to understand your future perfect continuous tense, right? So students, what a future perfect continuous tense generally talks about? A future perfect continuous tense also sometimes is called the future perfect progressive tense, is a verb tense that describes action will continue up until a point in future. यानी एक ऐसा फंक्शन जो कि स्टार्ट हुआ फ्यूचर में एंड डेफिनेटली until a point it will finish into future too, right? फ्यूचर में शुरू होकर के फ्यूचर में ही फिनिश होने वाला, that will definitely your future perfect continuous tense, my dear students, right? And now I am telling you the sentence construction of this. So as you can see a flash here, right? Subject plus will have been, won't not have, will not have been, subject plus have been, will shall, right? So the same construction as in future perfect tense, but here you will see have been, shall have, will have plus been, right? So students, these are the examples as you can see here, the examples you can see here, right? Will have been, will have been, will have been, right? If C has been taken as an example, then after will have been is used. Otherwise, if I am taking I and V, so like I can see here, right? Why shall we not have been playing? Why shall we not have been playing for 2 days, right? So this will be the example of future perfect continuous tense. So my dear students, that was all about perfect continuous tense. Now it's time to finish the tenses, and dear students, through my suggestions you will have to watch the video again and again, and if you are getting any confusion in understanding the particular lines or the particular even sentences, then definitely you are free to ask, right? So we will meet there. Up to the time, thank you, have a nice day.